everybody, I'm Holly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know anything about Boxycharm, well, that's what I'm here for. Boxycharm is $25 a month, 27, 21, I don't remember, 20 something. I'll leave all the details down below so that you can click on the link and head on over to Boxycharm and find out how much it is. You do get 4 to 5 full-size items in this little teeny tiny box here, and they're usually really good items. I do enjoy receiving Boxycharm. I get to try out items that I would otherwise never buy, and that is me being totally 100% honest with you. I would never ever purchase these items because they cost too doggone much. So we're going to get directly into this box because I'm not going to waste your time chit-chatting because, well, I don't want to waste your time. So here is our card that you get every month, and it says peace, love, and Boxy. And on this side is everything that I received in my box. And we are going to reference this because I have absolutely no idea what is even in this box. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. And we definitely have more brushes, makeup brushes. All right, so first up we have Artist Couture Diamond Glow. I don't know why I'm showing the TV. Yeah, I'm on the wrong side. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. This versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. And the retail value of this is $27. Wow. I do like it's like a marble packaging. That is very pretty packaging. I do like that packaging. Let's open this up. If I can get it open, that is. I have a heck of a time opening these packages. And I don't want to destroy the package because I may or may not keep this. And if I can't open it, I'm just not going to fight with it. I won't fight with it. Heck of a time opening that. Oh, that is a very pretty package. Very pretty. I do like the simplicity of the packaging. I don't tend to use highlighters at all. There is that packaging. Yeah, I don't tend to use highlighters. I'm just not a highlighter girl. I don't use them. And that is the honest to God truth. I probably am less likely to use a highlighter. I don't even know how to get into this highlighter. I don't know how to open it. Okay, so, but that is the highlighter. I don't know how to open it. I think you just turn it side to side. I think that's how you do it. So I'm not going to open it because I probably won't even keep it. But anyway, I mean, I'm sure it's a very nice product, but I'm not going to open it because I'm not keeping it. It'll probably go in a giveaway, future giveaway somewhere down the road. Loose powder highlighter, and I don't know if it's in a certain color. Summer Haze, that's the color that it is in. Summer Haze. Okay, then up next is Steve Laurent, and this looks like a very familiar product that we get probably all the time. Lip gloss, 1 part balm, 3 parts silk. This Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just 1 swipe. $22. And I do believe that we have gotten this before, and this is in the color Champagne. Oh, I do like the color. I do like that color. There is the color. Very pretty color. Doe foot applicator. I do like the color. I do like the smell. It does smell like cake. Very pretty color. I do like that. I will use that. I do like my lip glosses. I have 22,000 lip glosses. Although my daughter's coming home, so she'll probably steal them, which is totally fine with me. I need some help using them up anyway. So I do like that lip gloss. And then next we have Luxie brushes, which, you know, I'm be a realist here. A brush is a brush is a brush to me. So that's just how I am. Luxie, the Summer Days 3-piece brush set, and there's the 3-piece brush set. Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base shadow and glitter. Grab the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. And these are $28. See, this is why I do like this box, because I would never ever pay $28 for 3 brushes. That's just me. I mean, nothing wrong with anybody that would pay $28 for 3 brushes. To each their own. But not this girl. Not me. They are very nice brushes. Very beautiful color. I do like the color on the brushes. But I personally would never ever pay that much for makeup brushes. I just wouldn't. I'm happy with brushes from Walmart. I just, once you dip them in makeup, they're dirty. They're brushes. So that's just me though, guys. You know, I'm not saying anything about anybody that would pay that much money for brushes. That is, you know, on you. That's just me. I've always been that way, you know. That's who I am. So, and then we have, what are you? You look like a racetrack. Right? The checkers. This is from, let's see, Beauty for Real. Beauty for Real. Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner. Finish Line 24/7 Liquid Eyeliner is a mistake-proof pen that creates a clean line in one steady sweep. The tapered precision brush makes it easy to apply pure, deep color from thin to thick, while intensely pigmented formula makes for 24-hour, oh, thank you, Jesus, smudge and budge resistant wear. Thank goodness. $16 retail value. Thank you. I have a heck of a time with my eyeliner not staying where I put it. So I love the fact that it says it stays where it's supposed to. So let's hope it does. I really hope it does. I constantly get eyeliners that say this will stay where it says it's supposed to, and then it doesn't, and then you're like, not gonna get that again. And then they send you a bunch of it. Come on, get off of there. All right, now how do you open? Aha! Oh, I like the tip on that. Am I doing this? I do like the tip on that. And then let's see here. It's a nice, I like that. I do like that. Beauty for Real. Very nice. Do like that. And then we have our palette. Get it out of the box. And this palette is from Pure. the Complexion Authority Festival Palette. Unleash the ultimate festival vibe with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion, from boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters. Each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. $36 value. So let us open this up. Come out, wherever you are. Ooh, there's something in there. Oh, Pure, Get a Grip, Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. That was in the, behind the eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is a very pretty. Oh, almost lost my box. Stay there. All right, let's open her up. And it does have a mirror, so I'm going to fold that backwards. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? Very pretty colors. I don't mind some of them colors. I do like the glitter. That is very pretty. And it says that is Free Spirit. Psychedelic, good vibes. And that is Peace. 24K Magic. That's a good, that's Fireworks. Sunset. Wild Child. Gypsy, and that is purple. That is definitely not. It's coming off like a blue on the camera, but it's not. And this one is Hidden Desert. All Night Epic, and then Free Spirit. I do like that though. Them are some pretty colors. And then of course there's the mirror on the top. Those are very pretty. I do love the glitter. And these at the top, these are all of a glittery color. I'm trying to get it so you can see the glit without flashing you. But these are all a glitter. There we go. You can see it better now. Those are a glitter color, and now you can see the purple. Those are very pretty glitter. All glitter. Very, very nice glitter colors. Very nice. I do like that. Very nice, deep colors. Very nice. I like this. The only thing I foresee that I will not use is the highlighter. So, and the Luxie brushes, those will sit around for a while. Although my daughter is coming home and I haven't seen her in a year, so she's probably gonna stake her claim, I'm imagining. So, I don't know, but I definitely am going to use almost everything in this box this time, except for the highlighter, like I said, but yeah, my daughter might use it. But I guess that is it for this box, my Boxycharm box this month. If you'd like to get your own Boxycharm box, I will leave the link below, and you can head on over to Boxycharm and get your own Boxycharm in your own Pure palette, because 99% of the time you get a palette in your Boxycharm box. And it is well worth the $25 a month for a $36 palette. I'd have to say so. So, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button right over there. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget how much I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me and sticking by my side. And in a few days, you will get to meet my daughter. She will be doing some videos with me soon. And trust me, you're gonna see a side of that child. Anyway, that's it for this video, my friends. I will see you in my next video real soon.